Hello world, my name is Kelvin Mafrendi and I'm a student of CS50 Introduction to SQL. My project is a database design for a pharmacy drug dispensing software. Through this database, users should be able to keep track of patients' medical history, keep track of drug expirations, keep track of drug dispensing activities in the pharmacy, among many other things. Here is my project design. Now, the scope of my project includes patient's medical history, drug information, prescriptions, drug inventory, among many other things. Users should be able to perform these functions on the database, among others, of course. Here are the entities included in my schema and how they are designed. Now, all these entities relate to each other through this entity relationship diagram. Now, because there are some common queries that users might have to perform very often on the database, I've decided to optimize a few tables and a few columns from those tables in my schema, and here are the tables and the columns. My project has got a few limitations. One, it doesn't include the financial accounting aspects of a pharmacy. And two, instead of using SQLite for scaling purposes, a better dialect of SQL to use for this project might have been MySQL or PostgreSQL. Now, I'll show you the source code for my project. In the schema.sql file, I include all the schema, and here are the tables that I used in my project. I've also included a trigger here to update the stock or quantities of drugs every time a drug is dispensed from the pharmacy. Here are the indexes that I've created to optimize these queries that I've included in queries.sql, which are just the common queries that users might have to perform on the database. This is my project, and this was CS50.